Restore Tmux session after reboot. Is there any way to save a Tmux session? In other words, if I reboot the computer, will I always lose the sessions?
Yes, if you reboot your computer you will lose the sessions. Sessions cannot be saved. But, they can be scripted. What most do in fact is to script some sessions so that you can recreate them. For instance, here's a trivial shell script to create a session. Here's what it does. First, it checks if there's any session already with that name. In this case, the very original name is script, with Tmux has session. It checks the return code. If there's an ongoing session with that name already, it skips the if cycle and goes straight to the last line, where it attaches to the session. Otherwise, it creates a session and sends some keys to it, just running a random script for now. Then it exits the if block and attaches. This is a very trivial sample. You can create multiple windows, panes, and the like before you attach. This will not be the very same thing you asked for, though. If you do any changes to the session, for instance you rename a window and create a new pane in it, if you reboot those changes won't of course be saved. There are some tools that ease the process of scripting sessions, although I prefer to do things manually, I think it is more versatile. Those tools are Tmuxinator and Tmux. My main source of information was the Pragmatic Bookshelf, Tmux book.
Consider this partial solution found here. The author creates a function that saves the history of the Tmux session in order to persist the state of the Tmux session post a server reboot.
I wrote a simple bash script that persists open Tmux sessions, windows, and current working directories in each. Call it like so manually or periodically from cron, because you might forget. It will write to tilde.tmux session. Restore them after reboot like so. I find this much better than a several hundred line long Perl script.
Tmuxinator is a tool written in Ruby that could be used to create and manage Tmux sessions with ease. It could be used to create a project, which could later be instantiated as a Tmux session.
Unit today, being the living and saving.